Did you know that there are home financing options to fix up a home before you move in? Sometimes you find the perfect home in the neighborhood you want to live in, but it needs a little work. That is the perfect opportunity to use a renovation loan. Renovation financing programs allow you to finance your home and the renovation project into one loan. This option is more affordable than adding debt after you move in or getting a second mortgage. Here are some renovation facts you need to know. Number one, there are three basic types of loans for renovations: fixing up small cosmetic types of issues such as paint, carpet, or flooring, or bigger projects such as additions or large upgrades, and then energy improvements. Also, renovation programs work with the purchase or refinance. For instance, if you own your home now and finance your project with a shorter term loan, you can use the home loan to pay off the other note so that you have just one loan. You do not need to occupy the property during renovation. Renovation programs allow you to buy your home, have renovations completed, and then you move in. Renovation loans can be used on your primary residence, a second home, or investment property. The amount of renovation financing depends on the projects you want to complete. If you have any questions, drop me a comment below. You can also find my information in the description below or in the About Me section. Have a great day.